beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. So I am back today. Today is of course Saturday. I know, yeah. Last few weeks it has been literally Saturday or postponed to literally the following week. So apologies for that, but I am here. You know, it's been a battle. Things have been crazy. Y'all know what's going on with the world today. But we are here. And let's have some fun. Let's get on into it because my camera battery is literally red right now. So let's move on into it. I thought I'd do a little fun with you guys. Top makeup palettes that I love. You know, currently that I'm using, obviously. So let's get on into it, shall we? Alright. First and foremost, we got the lovely Bloodlust. I mean, come on, how could you not mention this one? I mean, I just got it recently and I am actually wearing it today, so I love it and I'm obsessed and I can't wait to dive in more into it. Alright, the next one. Okay, Be You Naturally. I actually didn't even know the name of this one, to be honest with you. I love this one. I think I got it in like a beauty box. Can't remember which one it was, but I really love this one. And it's so natural and simple and cute, so I love it. Okay, BoxyCharm, that's what it was. Okay. There's another one from featuring BoxyCharm as well, and I haven't really been using it too much, but I've been, you know, experimenting here and there with it. And I really love the different variety of colors and how, you know, cool it is. You might see the background. The lighting in here is weird. It's off. I think that light over there, the bulb is starting to die. The next one is Sugar Rush. Another favorite of mine, and I mean, how could you not go wrong with this? I mean, it's so dirty right now, but I really love it, and it's probably one of my most favorite palettes I've had before Bloodlust, of course. But this one's like a summer like one. I really like. They have so many different varieties that you could do. Natural even, just like simple looks too, bold looks. Okay, another look. Another one. If I can get it open. This is the Tarteist Pro Remix, and for some reason it doesn't want to open any higher than that, but I really love the colors, and as you can see, I've used this a lot ever since I've had it, and it's really dirty and I need to clean it, but and I love it, so definitely must have. And I'll put all the links down below if I can find any of these, especially Bloodlust. I don't know yet if it's still available, but I will put the link down below. And I wanted to include these two because these are favorites of mine here recently. Well, it's been a few months for this guy, but this one is a recent favorite of mine. Must have for cleaning your brushes. I love it. It works really good with different kind of brushes. I have different kinds, different bristles. It really gets up in there, and I recommend it. So I got this at Sephora. So this is another favorite of mine. It is a hair product, and as you can see, I use it a lot. It's Hairitage, and it's light as a feather leave-in conditioner, and I really love it. I mean, I get so many tangles in the morning, and like it helps so much. And this is actually a fresh look. You haven't seen it on this channel, so hi. Anyways, that's what I have, guys, today for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this kind of like beauty, you know, related video, and there will be a new blog down below, English blog, as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and it should be somewhere over here. Check out the latest video and check out the as always, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, hope you guys have a great day. That's all. Bye.